add equation, select this dimension, width times (10/50). Add equation again, select this dimension, width times 5 divided by 50. Right click on this vice body, select change transparency, double click on this surface, select this dimension here, global variables, height times parenthesis 15/60. And the last thing on this pin here is this dimension. Select this dimension, width times parenthesis 2.6 divided by 50. And just to show you that this is 2.6, we need select OK. We need to select evaluate, measure 2.6. Let's see what's happened here to the handle fixed pin. Both extruded. Sketch. Edit sketch. What's the problem here? Oh, it lost the reference of this value here, so select this mate, press delete, select smart dimension, (2.6), leave it as it is, escape, select this circle, hold Ctrl key at the keyboard, select this line, and make them concentric. OK. Exit sketch, edit component to exit the component. Now let's go back to the equations again. Okay, right. Thanks for watching. The next tutorial we're gonna have a look of how to create equations for the sliding jaw.